Hi there, Missy at missygoesboating.com. Well, I'm super excited about this year's Bluewater Cruising Association Women on Water weekend in Sydney, British Columbia. It's a day and a half, lots of great speakers, lots of different topics, and I'm going to be speaking again this year on the top 10 systems on your boat. So things like your inverter charger, your batteries, water maker, gray water. All of the systems that go on behind the scenes that are kind of invisible, but it's really important to know about them. You don't need to know how to fix them or repair them, but it's great to be able to identify them and know where they are, know where the flashing lights are, know where your manuals are. So if you have to look up a light, you can. Or if you're on the phone with a technician, you can identify what is happening. You'll already know the make and model number. I put together a great handout for you. So before the class, I want you to go down to your boat. I want you to fill out the vessel info sheet. It's all the different parts of your boat, make and model, the ID numbers, so you'll have it all handy. Then we're going to go through, I've made a workbook up and it's got diagrams, so we can start to fill in all the parts of your boat and you'll know where they are. Again, the make and model number, so important when you're looking for help. And sometimes when you're looking for help, you don't have a lot of time and you need the information at your fingertips. So this is a really great winter project when you have time on your hands. I recommend this binder. I'm going to put the link down below for it, but it's a combination sort of binder, and then in the back it has lots of pockets. I keep my insurance, my boat insurance, my moorage documents, all my contact information, my surveys. Everything is handy in one binder that I keep on the boat. So I really hope I see you in my class. I've got lots of freebies, giveaways. You know, I love a good prize. So I look forward to seeing you in Sydney at the Bluewater Cruising Women on Water.